Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and there are some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all these will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding. Various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to locate, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your